The Formalist Critical Lens with Mrs. Anderson. When we approach literature using the formalist critical lens, we focus on forms such as symbols, structure, and how one part of the text relates to the whole. Some questions that we ask and answer during this time are: what are the recurring symbols and patterns? What could they mean? In what way does the author's use of diction influence the meaning of the text? And what is the effect of the author's use of characterization, theme, symbols, and narration? Our author today is Langston Hughes. He was born James Mercer Langston Hughes on February 1st, 1901, and he died on May 22nd, 1967. He was a leader during the Harlem Renaissance. He graduated from Lincoln University, and his ashes are interred beneath a floor medallion in the Schomburg Center for Research in Black Culture in Harlem, New York. Harlem by Langston Hughes. What happens to a dream deferred? Does it dry up like a raisin in the sun? Or fester like a sore and then run? Does it stink like rotten meat or crust and sugar over like a syrupy sweet? Maybe it just sags like a heavy load. Or does it explode? If we were to perform a formalist analysis on this poem by Langston Hughes, here are some things we would think about. What symbols are evident in the poem? Think about the many metaphors that Hughes uses to illustrate a dream that has been deferred. How does the author use words or diction to shape meaning and tone? Think about how he opens with a question and then asks and answers questions throughout the poem. How does this affect the pacing? Does it make the poem faster or slower? Overall, the dream deferred is a negative thing. Everything he compares it to is negative. It's spoiled, it's old, it's not edible anymore. Think about all those things and how that relates to the text as a whole.